Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the BiglyBT app on your Android TV without Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install this application, what I'm going to do, I don't have the Google Play Store, so I'm going to use my browser. This can work on any browser that you have on your Android TV. It can be a custom browser or it can be a system browser. So what you do, go over to your browser and in the search box, just go ahead and type in the name of the application, which in this case is a Bigly app. So I'm not going to take a lot of time typing because I already have it in my result page or in my suggestion, sorry. I'll come back to this option and here's it over here. Once you search, this is what you get. Now on my screen here, you can see the first option, which is the application on the web version of Google Play Store. And yes, you can install it from here to your Android TV by just clicking on it and you click on install. An application is going to be installed to your Android TV. So I can just click install here and application is going to start installing straight away. Now, if for some reason this option doesn't work for you, what you can do is if for some reason that option doesn't work for you, what you can do is scroll down on this result page, just scroll down a little bit. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see other options or third-party sites where you can install the same application to your Android TV. Like for instance, you can go over to a site like this and you can install the third-party application by just following the instructions here to install the application. That is if the first option doesn't work for you. You can go over here and download the application. Now, if the first option works, then you don't need to come over to sites like that any longer because the application has been installed. Like for instance, if I clicked here and it worked, all I have to do is just check it out and you see the application has been installed to my Android TV and I can go ahead and open it and use without any issues. And this is how to install this application without the download application.